Turns out that Obamacare is going to cost, quote, billions of dollars less than originally projected. Talking Points memo is reporting that among the Republican Party's criticisms of the Affordable Care Act, one of the loudest has been the cost, right? This is so expensive. According to one report, Obamacare will not be anywhere near as costly as expected. The New York Times reported that the government is expected to spend billions of dollars less than originally projected on the law. And remember, the original projections themselves were already budget neutral. The adjusted estimate is the result of the law's Medicaid expansion and the subsidies for private insurance plans ending up a lot less costly than initially anticipated. According to the New York Times, economists say the law has also benefited from a weak economy over the last 5 years, during which health spending has slowed dramatically. About 100,000 people signed up for insurance last month using the healthcare.gov portal. Lewis, we now have a situation where the website is working well or drastically better than it was initially. Costs are projected to be lower than initially expected. People with pre-existing conditions now can get insurance, and these lifetime caps on insurance benefits have been removed. Without a doubt, Lewis, the Affordable Care Act, which doesn't even go into effect for another month, is not going to be this epic failure of biblical proportions that the American right has been kind of fear-mongering around.
Right. Probably not. Hopefully not. There still could be some issues when it comes to, just the minutia of making sure people get their money and the transactions and
No
the
question.
communication. But hopefully that all goes smoothly as well.
Yeah, and remember, Republicans are the barometer for how Obamacare is doing can never be whether Republicans say it's working or not, because some Republicans still maintain Social Security is not working. Some Republicans still maintain Medicare is not working. And these are some of the most popular programs that started with some stutter steps for sure. So Republicans are never going to admit that Obamacare works, ever, ever, ever. We have to try to keep our analysis as close to the data, as close to the facts, and as close to the numbers as we possibly can.